Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you a little patio area that I made, I am going to make with you for a Bratz doll. And the Bratz doll that I chose is this one here. She has a little bit of red on her outfit, so this is the one. She's going to be sitting all alone in her patio chair. So what I did was I took a background. This is a page from a calendar. And since I have this piece with the lines, that to me looks like a window, right? But you're looking out. That means that the patio starts right here. So on this side, you would say there's a home, an enclosed patio, and you look out. So that is the idea. Then on the sides, I have some bookends. They are black mesh metal bookends. So what I did was I took, let's see, I'll show you something. This is from the thrift store, some ribbon that I bought. I have another one here, but I am using this as the table. So I took some of my nice decorative paper. It's like a pink and white, but it almost looks like red too. So I am going to be using this as the base of the table right there. Okay, so let's place it right there. And these are just simple ideas, nothing crazy. So anyway, so I also took, let me show you something. I have these cake boards. See these cake boards? And they were just perfect for the tabletop. So I have one here, okay, but I'm going to be using this side, the glossy side, as the tabletop right there, okay. So you have your table. So, you know, if you've never created anything and you want to just start, you might have some dolls, doesn't matter which doll it is, but this is an idea. So anyway, so here we have our table, which is super simple. Now, I happen to have some dollies. I got these, I think it was at a yard sale, 25 cents for a whole bunch of these. So look at this. The size is just perfect for this cake board. So that is the tabletop right there. You see how the pink looks a little bit reddish, like a light red? It goes perfectly with this dolly. So I thought of something else. I needed an umbrella here, right? So I have this piece, which is a plastic champagne glass, and I placed it, well, I'm going to place it right there in the middle, right? Now up on top, I am using another dolly as the umbrella, okay? Now I have this little piece here. This is from a hanger. So I'm just going to cover this over here just so you won't see the crack. The paper cracked right there. Okay. So this is supposed to be my umbrella. So anyway, so let's place the doll here. I do have a wooden chair. So we're going to place it right there. And then we have our doll. Oh, wait, there's something I want to change. I want to change something up. So, not sure if you can see that, but I'm just fixing the doll. I want to change something else, okay? I'm going to take this off. I'm going to take the dolly off. This is the one that I really wanted to use on top of the cake board. So this is decorative paper, the same that I used for the little piece on top of the umbrella. So this is going to go on top of the cake board, back on the base. So we have our table. Now you can use it like that. It looks nice like that. But I'm still going to add the little dolly. Okay. It looks perfect on there. Now let's take the umbrella and put it back. Okay. What else? Now she has a little bag here, so let's just place it here because it's pretty big. And then I have some ceramic pieces. I have a little cup there, of coffee cup or tea set. So yeah, she's having her coffee, her morning coffee at her patio table. Handmade little table. Nothing permanent, nothing crazy. Just a creation that I hope that you have enjoyed. So this is my idea of an umbrella. It's just something easy because I'm going to dismantle it anyway. So this is it. So I would like you to stay tuned because there is going to be a party in April. Towards the end of April, there's going to be a party, and we're going to have the Bratz dolls and the Barbies all together. So I hope that you stay tuned for that. And I hope that you enjoyed this little DIY table, patio table. Alrighty, well, I think that this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.